Electricity, a form of energy that powers our modern world. It is the flow of electrical charge through conductive materials, such as wires. With the invention of electricity, our lives have been transformed. From lighting up our homes to powering our electronic devices, electricity has become an essential part of our daily lives. It is generated by various sources such as fossil fuels, nuclear power, and renewable energy sources like solar and wind. Through a complex network of power plants, transformers, and transmission lines, electricity is delivered to our homes and businesses. We use it to cook our food, heat our homes, and even charge our smartphones. Without electricity, we would be plunged into darkness and lose access to the comforts and conveniences that we often take for granted. So next time you flip a switch or plug in a device, remember the incredible power of electricity that keeps our world running smoothly.